How do you file taxes for the first time? So if you're filing taxes for the first time and confused about forms like W-2 or 1099, I'm going to explain the difference between the two. If you made money this year, you will have to file taxes, and the form you get depends on how you earned that money. So basically, if you have a regular job, you will get a W-2 form from your employer usually. So for W-2, your employer has already sent your income to the government and your taxes, but they did not file your tax return for you, and you have to do that yourself. And if you're doing side gigs or freelancing, you'll usually file the Form 1099. So usually you should first start by checking how you got paid. As I said before, regular job, your employer should give you a W-2 form, which means the taxes has already been taken out of your paycheck. And then you will need to choose how to file your taxes. You can either go to the irs.gov website, or you can use software such as the TurboTax. And first you'll start by gathering your information and what you need. You will usually need your forms, whether it's the W-2 or the 1099, your social security number, and your bank account if you want a direct deposit for the tax returns. And if you decided to file your taxes through the IRS.gov website, you can go to IRS.gov, and then you want to create an account or make sure that you have an account. Now you will need to hover over the file on the top menu here and then click on individuals. Now scroll down and you should find this file for free. Click on file your taxes for free online, and then scroll down and click on fillable forms and use fillable forms, and then click on start free file fillable forms, then click on start again. And here you will need to basically register an account if you don't have one already, or you can sign into your existing account. And once you've signed in, you will just need to enter your forms exactly as they appear. So if you have a W-2, you can copy the numbers. If you have a 1099, you enter that info or that income too. And whether you're using the IRS form or the tax software, it should basically automatically calculate your tax or refund for you. And based on that information, you either get a refund or you owe them more money. So if you think, or if they think you paid too much in tax, or they taken too much in tax, you will get a refund for the extra amount they took out. And the opposite as well can happen. If you didn't pay enough, or not enough was taken in taxes, which is very common with the Form 1099, you will have to pay the extra missing amount, which means you owe them money. Usually, if you're using a software to file your taxes, it will show you green and red. The green color usually means you're good. You will get a refund for the extra amount you've paid. And red means you're missing and you'll need to pay a little bit more. And before submitting, you will need to review your details and then submit for tax return. Most people here will get their refund in few weeks. And you're pretty much done at this point. You'll get used to it once you do it a few times. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you on the next one.